Hi everyone, just at Lisburn Square today, just at the Food Factory. This was one of the shop fits that we did for a very good friend of mine over the years. Had a shop in Belfast and has now moved to Lisburn Square. He has some super brands in here that he wanted to show off. So we needed to come up with a cost-effective way of doing that for him and a bit of a trendy theme to it. So he went for a version of Sterling board and a block. It's a black block that can make any type of furniture, and it's called Play With It. The Play With It blocks, or black block, you can get them right angle 90s, 180s or whatever. So we have come up with a few scenarios. You'll see some digital prints. It was all rewired, new lighting, and some great brands. Come in and have a look at Lisburn Square.